Alright, my girl Bo just had a special birthday. She just turned 15 years old. So we went down to the DMV and got her permit. In Texas, you can get your driving permit when you're 15. So she's excited to take the old truck out for a ride. Let's take a look at your permit, Bobby. Let's see what you got here. Holy cow, you got a couple of bucks in there. Look at that, there's your permit. She said she hates her driver's license photographed just like everybody. Alright, Bobby, you ready to go? We gonna go for a drive? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Let's get back to work on this 66 Chevy pickup. Alright guys, sorry for the wind. I'm going to try to stay out of it, but I'm going to check the lights over. Looks like we've got both headlights working. Let's go take a peek at the tail lights. This one's actually an original headlight yet. You can probably see the T3 in it. Alright, let's go look at the tail lights. That one's working. And that one's working. Alright, let's see what else we got that works. Let me try the high beams. Okay, the bright indicator on the dash works. That one works. And that one works. Alright, I'm going to shut the truck off so it's not so noisy. Okay, we got the left blinker blinking. Okay, that one works. Okay, that one does not. So we'll have to take a peek at that. We flip the blinker lever. That one's not working either. This one is. Alright, I'm going to try the backup lights and see if any of those work. Okay, that backup light works. This one doesn't, so let's take a look at some of this stuff and see what's going on with it. Alright, let's go ahead and take this off so we can see what's going on in here. The bulb looks pretty good. The socket looks pretty good. So this truck's sat a lot. Sometimes when they sit, all it takes is you to pull the bulb in and out a couple of times and life is good. So alright, I pulled the backup light off as well. These are actually glass. They're not plastic. That's interesting. I didn't know that. That one's fighting me all the way. Alright, I got it out. It looks like the fixture's kind of corroded. A lot of junk on it. Have to see if I can clean that up a little bit. Alright, I have a sneaking suspicion this is actually a wiring issue and not a bulb issue at this point, because I kind of got it cleaned up. And it's not doing anything, so we'll have to take a look at some wiring on this. I have a feeling that's probably what's going on up there as well. With the brake light, so as everything else works. Alright, so we'll have to check some wiring. I'm going to check and see if I have any power in here, just to confirm that. Alright, see if that works. I think the sockets are just bad. There it goes. Let's see if I can tweak this one a little bit. There we go. Alright, another one fixed. Alright, we got several of these fixed. Now let's move to the front and we'll work on those for a little bit. I'm going to have to take a look at some of those sockets and see if I can fix them. I may not be able to. I may have to get new sockets. But let's try the turn signals on the front and see what we can do. Alright, so I pulled the headlight switch. Both parking lights work on the front and the back, but neither turn signal on the front works. So I'm going to have to take a look at the wiring there and see what's going on with that. I kind of wanted to just run through it real quick and see what I could get working, what didn't, you know, that kind of thing. I know in the back I need some sockets. Some of the sockets are just bad. There's stuff missing out of them, and you know, they're corroded. So we'll continue to work on this later on, but at least I know what I need now. I messed with the turn signal a little more. Now we got the passenger side working. Let's see if the driver's side goes. Nope, still nothing there. We'll just have to keep playing with it. Alright, if you notice this headlight is sitting out a little bit and you can push it back, I gotta see what's going on with that. Probably there's a little plastic piece in there that's broken, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop this apart and see what I see. plastic thing that's broken, so I gotta see if I can find another one. Okay, I found another new plastic bit and I snapped it in there. I realized the camera wasn't on when I test fit it. Alright, and we'll grab the spring. Ow. They do actually make a screwdriver that'll hold the screws on to do that. That would mean I'd have to walk into the shop again. We'll have to test these out at night when we can see what's going on, but alright, we got it. Now I will go ahead and do the other side. Alright, I didn't show you very well on the other side, but this little thing is supposed to be right here, and that screw is there so you can tighten it. However, the back side of that plastic piece is broken off. So let me get one of the new ones. Here's a new one, and it just sits in there, and then when you put the screw in, it expands and it tightens it up. So basically all you do, you unscrew it out of here. And then go ahead and put the bucket back in. And then that's, it goes that way. And that's all there's to it. That slides in there. There you go, that's slid in. You put the spring back in here. I gotta move the camera a little bit. Like that. And then you make adjustments here and here for the light, and you're good to go. So that's all there's to it. Plug the light back in, and you're done. Alright guys, that'll do it for another episode of Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Come back next time, we'll continue to work on the Chevy truck. Ow, sticker! Get a couple turns on that. And I shoved it through.